Learner point? Welcome to our video on debunking common misconceptions about healthy diets. In a world filled with dietary advice, it's easy to fall for myths. Let's explore the truth behind these misconceptions. Myth 1: Carbs are the enemy. Reality: complex carbs are essential. They provide energy and fiber. Remember, portion control is key, no matter the food group. Myth 2: Fad diets are the holy grail. Fact: sustainable health requires consistency and a well-rounded diet. Myth 3: all fats are bad. Not true. Healthy fats are crucial for heart and brain health. Maintain a balanced diet with a variety of nutrients. It's about the big picture. Myth 4: skipping meals for quick results. Reality: regular meals maintain metabolism and prevent overeating. Myth 5: no need for hydration. Staying hydrated aids digestion, circulation, and overall health. Myth 6: supplements over whole foods. Remember, supplements can't replace the value of whole foods. To sum up, separating fact from fiction is vital. A healthy lifestyle is about moderation, variety, and informed choices. If you found this video helpful, share it with others and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Visit our blog for more informative posts. Thank you for watching. We're here to help you on your journey to better health.